Foundation training teaches you how to use gravity to your advantage to become strong and relieve pain. In order to understand how this works, ask yourself this: when was the last time you saw an animal working out to stay strong? They don't have to because they evolved to use gravity instinctively to be healthy. The same is true for us. We also need to use gravity to stay strong and pain-free by absorbing force through our muscles, making our movements regenerative and our bodies strong. But when we are compressed, this force is shifted to the skeletal system and joints, which degenerate and break down, causing imbalance and pain. And the pain cycle continues. Medicines can numb the sensation of pain, but they don't make you better. They just mask the pain and can cause scary side effects. And when they wear off, the pain returns. There is a better way. People around the world are turning to foundation training as a solution. Foundation training is a series of corrective body weight exercises that can be done anywhere with no equipment. It taps into your natural strength and ability and shows you how to use gravity to counterbalance the changes that inactivity and sitting cause. Anybody of any age can learn foundation training. In just a few minutes a day, you can take back control over your well-being, making you stronger, balanced, and pain-free. When pain is no longer a barrier, you move up the wellness scale and can get back to living life feeling healthy and strong. And you can enjoy our modern conveniences without the pain they cause. Foundation training is the key to changing the patterns that hold you back. Where are you on the wellness scale? Where do you want to be? Heal your pain and discover your potential with foundation training.